French fries are fantastic, but sometimes you don't want to use a deep fryer because of health reasons. Why you're still eating a French fry is beyond me. Anyways, sometimes you don't have the freezer French fries, which are cheaper, easier to cook, less time consuming, and better. However, you might have potatoes, in which case you can make French fries. All you have to do is cut them like this, maybe 1/4 inch thick.
It really doesn't matter as long as they're all about the same size so that you don't have a couple of burnt ones and a couple of soggy looking ones. With these fries, I definitely like to have fun with the seasoning. It gives them a lot of flavor, and when people come over and smell the inside of your house, they'll be like, damn, he knows what he's doing. And here's a bit of a hot take. If you season your French fries correctly, you don't even need to dip them in any ketchup.
What?
You heard me, Tubby. You don't need all that extra sugar anyways. Next, we're going to set convection bake to 400. If you don't have a convection function on your oven, that sucks. But you can also use bake, that's fine too. Next, just spread your fries out in one even layer. You can use your hands. Don't worry, I washed mine this morning. We have some time before the oven finishes preheating, so I'm going to slice up an onion for caramelizing. Do I still have eyebrows? I'm afraid to look. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil to my cast iron skillet and let it preheat. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of ghee, which is clarified butter. It'll help give the onion some flavor. Caramelizing is like very, very low heat sauteing. You don't want the pan too hot here. Let them saute for a couple of minutes, then give them a quick stir so that they all get coated with oil and butter. Alright, these are looking pretty good, so let's go get started on those burgers. Next, you're going to take some ground beef and form it into equal size giant meatballs. Here, I have a pound of meat, so I'm forming it into 4 giant meatballs, meaning that they are about 1/4 pound each. Huh, maybe I should be a math teacher.
Now class, if Kenny has 27 watermelons and Sally takes 14 of them, how many is Kenny left with?
Yeah, 13. And can I just ask, why does Kenny need so many watermelons? Also, why does Sally need to, take so many from him? Because, I mean, if there's like
Ned, why don't you shut...
Actually, maybe I'll stick with whatever this is that I'm doing. Now I'm just seasoning these giant meatballs with some salt and pepper. I want to season the outside of the burger, not the inside, because that's where all that crispy flavor is going to be after I smash them. Our onions are pretty much caramelized, so I'm going to take them out so I can use this same pan to grill the burgers. Could I have used one of those cool burger smashers you can buy? Absolutely, but I don't have one, so here we are. Came out so good. I definitely see the point of smashing your burgers. It gives it this nice crispy crust on the outside of the burger, and I'm definitely going to make these as many times as I can until my cholesterol goes through the roof.